Divorce is never easy, but in 2025, more people than ever are deciding to go the DIY route. On the surface, handling your own divorce sounds simple. Download some forms, fill them out, and you're done, right? But here's the thing. This trend is leading to more costly mistakes than ever before. Let's talk about what's actually happening. People want to save money, so they skip hiring a lawyer. But what they don't realize is that the legal system is constantly changing. In 2025, new laws around property division, custody, and even digital assets like crypto are making things even more complicated. A simple mistake, like missing a deadline, misunderstanding court requirements, or forgetting to disclose an asset, can mean months of delays or even losing out on what's rightfully yours. And fixing those mistakes? Often way more expensive than hiring an attorney in the first place. We've seen stories of people who thought they had everything figured out, only to end up in court fighting over paperwork errors or worse. Their ex gets more than they should. It's stressful. It's exhausting. And it can leave you feeling like you're starting over from scratch. The bottom line, DIY divorce might look like the cheaper option, but in 2025, it's riskier than ever. When so much is at stake, your kids, your home, your future, it makes sense to get expert advice. At Daniel Obeidi Law, we provide clear, compassionate support, whether you're facing a legal dispute or trying to avoid one. If you're searching for affordable divorce attorneys, let us help you protect what matters most. Schedule a free consultation today and find out how we can help you handle your divorce the right way. Visit www.expertsinfamilylaw.com.